Hello, everyone. The new course that we have today is Economics O levels. The major source that we are using for this course is IGCSE O level, the book by Paul Hom. We'll be discussing the first chapter over here, which is the allocation of resources. Allocation of resources, the unit itself, it's the second unit actually, and it involves a couple of things, mainly or namely economic systems, demand and supply, elasticities of demand and supply, and last not the least, the market failure, how the market fails. In this course, we'll be discussing what is demand, what is supply, what actually is elasticity is. A lot of my students, they have confusions with elasticity, how to calculate elasticity and all of that. So we'll be discussing all of this over here in this course. My name is Aziz Amir, and I'll be taking this course with you. Stay tuned and look for our videos. Thank you. God bless.